This video, we're going to be doing an altar challenge. And what I mean by that is we're going to take our altar in our current configuration and we're going to clean it up and kind of start over with it. I'm Bo. I am the magical blacksmith at Ravens Keep Forge, and I teach a 5-month Morrigan study on the goddess Morrigan. And one of the first things that I teach in this class is starting kind of from scratch with your altar, no matter whether you're building a relationship or you're starting a relationship again or re-energizing, however you want to look at it. So good thing about it is since I do it twice a year, I get to do it twice a year. Being my work being magical blacksmithing, after I forge something down in sacred space, it always comes up and rests on her altar. Because of that, my altar gets kind of, it's almost embarrassing to admit, but it gets kind of junky, right? So I'm going to show you real time what my altar looks like right now, presently. This channel, I really want it to be, overall raw, right? I don't want it to be spiffy and clean and made for YouTube. I want it to be very real world, right? Being on the pagan path as I have for the last 30 years, it's not always pretty and sexy and sleek and smoky and all that. Sometimes it's a lot of times it's just rough. So anyway, I'm going to show you what it looks like now, and then I'm going to clean it up and we'll look at it again. Okay, so hang on with me while I get everything set up so you can actually see my altar the way it is. It's uncut gloriousness. Alrighty, well, here is my altar space in all its unbridled messy glory. Here it is right currently today. And then we'll zoom in on some of this so you can see. There's an offering that I have there, and there's prototypes for the July moon bling. I've got some spell bottles. There's a nail and some tribute oil, and back behind that is some Samhain anvil dust and a pocket notion. I've got some raven's feathers, crow feathers, some more spell bottles. I've got an offering cup that I offer for water. There's some black salt back there. There's a candle that I had a friend make. There's my ohm set and ohms that I'm working on currently. My Fion's window. There's my bibliomancy back there. I've got my urban crow oracle, the current candle that's going. I've got some I've got some candle scribes there. There's my prayer beads book that I'm currently reading through as devotion in the morning. There's some raven's feathers and some other pendants and another steel ohm set. My incense dish, you can see I've got quite a few pieces of incense there. Some more candle scribes, some other some tinctures, and it's a lot. I mean, it's really kind of messy. So that's what it looks like now, and I'm going to take some time and spend some time cleaning up my spot. All right, so let's look at how nice and clean this is. Wow, what a difference a little housekeeping does, right? Look how much better that looks. Everything's all cleaned up and nice and clean. Got quite so much clutter. It's amazing how it just kind of adds up over time. You don't even know it. Next thing you know, boom, stuff's everywhere. All right, so that is the altar challenge. Show me it raw, and then show me it clean. I hope this helps you, maybe gives you a little motivation to clean off that altar if it's gotten nasty or cluttered. Like I said, mine's a working altar, so in 5 or 6 months, I'll be doing it again because it'll get cluttered again. You just don't realize it, and all of a sudden, boom, there it is. So I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, I am Sam, ravenskeepforge.com. I'll have some links on the book you saw, which is a litany of the Morrigan, and my Morrigan statue as well, statuary. I'll have links for it down in the show notes. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Don't forget to subscribe to the site or become a super subscriber with the little ding-a-ling, so you'll be notified of any upcoming things. If you sign up on the website at ravenskeepforge.com, you'll also get a free PDF that kind of is a companion to my book that I wrote, Metal Never Lies, an introduction to metal magic. It's the only place you'll find it anywhere on the web is there. All it costs you is to sign up. And that way you'll be notified of other things that I have going on. Thanks for stopping by. Leave me a comment, tag me, show me yours. I showed you mine. Bye.